Love social media, but social media is hurting some of you. It's a tool. The question is, are you using the tool or is the tool using you? Please believe Instagram is a lie, because we're not broadcasting our failures. And we're not posting our challenges, and we're not uploading all of our weaknesses. No, we're only showing you the good stuff. And just because we're only showing you the good stuff doesn't mean there's not some bad stuff that we're walking through. And the only way you're gonna walk into amazing things is when you get your eyes off of the grass on the other side and you get focused where you are.
If you fuck with me, go out there and be ambitious. Go out there and really get shit done and stop depending on motherfuckers.
I am the star in any room that I stand in. I am the stand.
Oh, now we gotta go.
Hey Rych Babes, today we're talking about something that we all experience with social media. We scroll, we post, we like, and sometimes we even get caught up in comparing ourselves to what we see. Let me tell you, social media is not real. Hey y'all, it's your girl Bella Dyor, and today we're gonna get right into it about social media. So social media is a tool. It's used to expand your goals and connect with your audience and just elevate yourself and even express yourself if you are not in the savvy business or just any of those different type of avenues or niches. But I just want you to know, don't get caught up in the glamour or even the negativity that you see on social media. It can be really hard and it can pull you down and make you feel some type of way.
Please don't let the internet distract you from the fact that there are people out here living regular lives with brown cabinets and white appliances and a beat up car and an iPhone 12. Please don't get caught up in social media that you forget that that is normal. It is not normal for a 21-year-old to live in a high rise with white marble countertops and stainless steel appliances paying $2,000 plus a month in rent. It's not normal for a 21-year-old to drive a brand new Benz off the lot with no help. That ain't normal, okay?
Yes, it's definitely not normal. Trust me, I know how it feels to see someone else highlights and think that you're just not doing enough. But that's just it. Social media only shows the highlights, not the full story. When people ask me how my channel grew so fast, I had to explain to them, was it 4 years or 4 weeks of success? The truth is, everyone's journey is different, and comparing yourself to others will only cloud your progress. See, with this channel, I started this channel 4 years ago, but I had to do a lot of trial and error, and then I decided that I was going to figure it out, and then that's when I started to see some success in this channel. So overall, a lot of people do not have overnight success. It might look like it, but really, was it 4 years of progress or 4 weeks of progress when you guys first started noticing this channel? If you're interested in the information on how to grow your YouTube channel, please stay until the very end of this video. Thanks.
If you allow social media to be your form of validation, I think that screams insecurity, if I'm being completely honest, because how are you going to let random strangers online that don't even know you in real life be what validates you?
The grass ain't greener. The grass ain't greener, bro. Don't compare your woman or your man to some shit that you only see on Instagram, you only see on Twitter. Because you only seeing this person for a split second in a picture or in a 30-second clip. You don't know if this person got credit problems. You don't know if this person got family problems. You don't know if this person then came off a kid. You don't know a lot of, bro. Stay with your woman that's with you right then and there, bro. You chose, just always remember, I chose this woman for a reason. And if she's not executing to the level that you expected her to execute, look at yourself first. Don't look at outside your marriage and looking at other women. Look at yourself and see what you could be doing better.
This has to be said. Social media is not real. Y'all don't even mind how I'm looking. I'm refreshing my sewing, but Can we like really talk about this? I just definitely feel like what people see on social media is creating a lot of unhealthy expectations, and I'll be having people discouraged and not even exposing the skeletons in your closet, but only the good stuff. Yeah, my hair is so bomb. I ain't even put nothing on it yet, but that's besides the point. I feel like social media got people feeling like they're so behind, but people only want to show you the good stuff. They're not going to show you the bad stuff. You might see like a 19, 20-year-old and she got her own high rise in the sky, AMG, bust down, but what she's not going to tell you is she's unhappy and she's so insecure within herself. She's not going to post the times where she almost lost it all. She's not going to tell you that it's a nigga behind her success, because they don't be wanting to tell y'all that. For all my business owners out there, you might see an entrepreneur that she making 100K a month. She telling you that she's making all these digital courses and stuff, but she's not going to post where she almost gave up 5 times. She's not going to post about her slow season. And some of these creators are being, a little bit more transparent than they usually are about slow seasons, but some of them, they just don't tell you all the good stuff. Shout out to them girls that's doing it. That's 19, 20 in their own high rise and luxury vacations and luxury trips. Is it possible? Yes. Is it normal? No. I don't think that. I'm not going to say it shouldn't be normalized, because I love seeing young people doing good, but it's not realistic. Like, to the girls that see, oh, her man did this for her, blah, blah, blah. He might be tricking on her, but she not going to tell you that he's a cheater, he's a liar, he might be hitting on her. I say all of this to say people's always going to showcase the good, but they're not going to tell you everything. So I don't feel like it's fair for us, even though everybody does it, I don't feel like it's fair for us to feel like we're missing out on something, because these are other people's lives. We don't know these people like that. We don't know these people like that at all. I just don't want anybody to feel like they're failing or they're behind just because on social media somebody younger than them, or just to see another person want what they have and they're not telling you the full story. No, you might not have the body you want. You might not have the job you want. You might be stuck at a 9 to 5 when you know you're meant to run a business. You might be in a room that's tinier than a closet and you want you a high rise, but appreciate where you are now. And don't think, oh, so-and-so got one. You don't know what so-and-so had to do for what they have. Don't compare it to other people. Just stay in your lane. Just worry about you. I'd rather have a peaceful life. I don't have to be in the newest car. I don't have to be in anything. I'm okay with being myself, If I do make it to where I can support myself and buy myself all the bust down lifestyle watches and all that, I will be doing it. I never said that I won't. But it's just, I know that me being 19, that's not normal. That's not a normal thing for me to do now. And I'm not going to beat myself up because I don't have it now.
So remember, you can shine your light too, but you can't do it if you're all focused on someone else's spotlight. Use social media to win, but don't let it consume you to the point where you can't think for yourself. Focus on your own goals, stay true to your own path, and know that when your time will come, your journey is yours, and that's what makes it so special. Here are a few tips to take that will help you out when it comes to social media. Number 1 is to set clear goals. Use social media with intention. Know what you want to achieve, whether it's building a brand, networking, or just simply sharing your passions. Having a clear purpose helps you stay focused. Number 2 is limit your screen time. Set boundaries on how much time you spend on social media each day. This can help prevent you from mindless scrolling and comparing yourself to others. Number 3, curate your feed. Follow accounts that inspire, motivate, and educate you. Like this channel, of course. Unfollow or mute accounts that make you feel insecure, stressed out, or distract you from your goals. I did that, and understand that your timeline is because of what you're liking. So if you're liking negativity, if you're liking all this drama, then the algorithm is just going to continue to feed you what you are liking, you are attracting what you like. So just think of your algorithm as your brain, okay? I always give that same type of analogy. Is that what you like, you attract. And that's exactly what's happening on your timeline. So if you're wondering why your timeline is full of booty shaking and well, whatever, you know, all types of different stuff, then that's the reason why. Not saying that twerking is a problem, because okay, I be getting down. But if you're ready to change things up, change your timeline, baby. Okay, just make sure that you just unfollow the things that no longer serve you. That's it. Number 4 is take regular breaks, schedule social media detoxing. Okay, detox. Even if it takes a day or a weekend, use that time to reflect, recharge, and reconnect with yourself offline. Go outside, girl. Meet real people. Number 5 is focus on your progress. Track your own growth instead of comparing it to others. Celebrate your own milestones, no matter how big or small, and recognize how far you have came. Number 6 is engage authentically. Use social media to genuinely connect with like-minded people and just have meaningful interactions that are far more valuable than superficial likes and follows.
Let me just be honest with you. I made a post and I talked about jealousy and stress. And those are 2 things out of your diet that you need to eliminate. 2 things that's in your diet. If you jealous of somebody, if you jealous of somebody else, that means you already don't think you good enough. So you dead upon arrival. And if you stressed out, then you just killing yourself slowly. And if you stressed out about something that somebody else got that you ain't got, then you done took yourself totally and completely out the game.
Social media is bullshit. I know hairdressers who have 1,000 followers that are 10 times more talented than hairdressers with 400,000 followers. The people with 400,000 followers, I'm not taking anything away from them because they're good at that game. They're good at marketing, they're good at making you buy the product, they're good at selling it to you. But that's not, the thing that I love about my education history and my career is I know if social media went away tomorrow, I'd still be successful. You know? And you can't compare yourself. Instagram is like this wild horse that we're riding. TikTok, it's fun, it's exciting, you get a lot of views, your video goes viral, people start to follow you. But what happens when you get off that horse, right? What do you have left? I have a clientele that is loyal to me. I have really good friends, you know, different things like that. I think sometimes people get too caught up in it.
I think maybe particularly Instagram, people look like they have a much better life than they really do.
Right.
So
by design.
Yeah, people are posting pictures of when they're really happy. They're modifying those pictures to be better looking. Even if they're not modifying the pictures, they're at least selecting the pictures for the best lighting, the best angle. So people basically seem they're way better looking than they basically really are.
Right.
And they're way happier seeming than they really are. So if you look at everyone on Instagram, you might think, man, they're all these happy, beautiful people, and I'm not that good looking and I'm not happy, so I must suck. When in fact, those people you think are super happy, actually not that happy. Some of them are really depressed. They're very sad. Some of the happiest seeming people, actually some of the saddest people in reality.
People are so fake on social media. People just give you this idea of who they think you want them to look like. And it's lies, and it's a facade, it's filters, it's retouching, it's hurry up, clean up this space so that we can look like we've got our crap together. And I'm not like that. Like, I'm a mom of 3 under 3. Life is messy. My hair fell out. I gained 50 pounds with each pregnancy. I've got stretch marks galore. My stomach is saggy. My tits are down to my belly button, and I don't care. And you know what? I look like the majority of America, and I need everybody else to know that that is the norm, not the other crap you're seeing on social media.
You're beautiful and you don't even know it, because you're comparing yourself with a painted up individual that don't even look like that when she take all that makeup off. She don't even look like that. You're comparing your body with somebody else's body who got some kind of bodysuit on. You honestly don't think eyelashes grow that long, do you? Surely you can't think that. But somehow we do. Back in the day when I was growing up, you knew who had nappy hair and you knew who had good hair. Today, everybody got good hair. It's all good. Everybody got that specially imported hair from India. It's all good. And I ain't got no problem with that. I do if you are using it because you are battling with your self-worth and you're saying, I have got to look like that image in order for me to feel good about myself. Honey, until you can take the wig off, take the eyelashes off, take the bodysuit off, and look at yourself in the mirror and say, I like you just like you are.
Your social media is not for your friends. Your social media is for you and your dreams and your self-expression, and it's meant to put something out in the world intentionally so that people who are looking for you and who need you can find you. That is what social media is for. It's the way that you do total immersion into who you're becoming. And when you can get clear, it's not for your ex-coworkers, it's not for your relatives, it's not for your family. It is not for your friends. I think most of my long-term friends do not follow me. I'm not putting it out there for anybody else but the people who find value in it. And when you can wrap that around your brain, it'll change your freaking.
So, Rych Babes, at the end of the day, social media is a tool, not the blueprint for your life. Your journey is unique and your path is valid. Use social media to uplift you and others, not to measure yourself and your self-worth. Remember, the best success stories come from staying true to yourself and staying focused on your goals. Shine your light unapologetically and let your growth speak for itself. So, as promised, I wanted to speak to those that are interested in learning more about how to create your own YouTube videos, so that way you can start expressing yourself and gaining the audience that you deserve, right? I have a lot of you inquiring about this. Now, I do already have a mini class called Rich Off Digital, where it's mainly about teaching you step by step how to create your own digital products and using certain tools such as ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut to edit and use those tools to help create your digital products. But also you can use those tools for creating your YouTube channel. So I am in the process right now of making a mini class on how to create your own YouTube channel and how to edit videos like the ones that you see on my channel. If you are interested in that, please make sure that you are already on the Rych Milan Co email list so that way you can stay connected to when that product drop, okay? And make sure that you are subscribed so that way you can hear the announcement once it is completed and ready for launch. So with that being said, Rych Babes, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below your thoughts on this video, and I will see you all next time. Stay rich.